You can ask me a question that is not written there also, by the way. Anything that you think or any question you think I can't answer, try beating me is...
How many centuries does Virat Kohli have? Option A,
Okay.
80. Option B, 82. Option C, 81. Option D, 83.
Well, not... He just hit one because of which I think he... 83,
Wrong.
82,
हाँ.
82, 83. See, I was confused. I
BGT
should
में
have-
BGT में लास्ट मारा था.
Last नहीं, अभी तो मारा ना विराट
अभी
कोहली.
नहीं, 50 मारा था.
Oh, he hit a 50. He did not hit a century. Yeah, correct.
71 में मारा.
71. Super, very nice. So my chance. So there was this very famous museum that was robbed very recently. Can you tell me the name of this museum? It was a smash and grab job. The robbers came in 8 minutes. They were out with the treasure.
म्यूजियम का नाम नहीं पता, but I know this situation.
Name of the... Okay, I'll give you a hint. It's in Paris.
वो तो मुझे भी पता है.
You know it's in Paris.
Name नहीं पता.
Okay. It's the Louvre
Options,
Museum. It's the
options.
Louvre Museum. I'll give you that. Can you tell me one very famous painting in the museum?
Mona Lisa.
It is painted by...
Leonardo da Vinci.
Any other painting that was painted by him?
I don't know.
Okay, The Last Supper. Where was Leonardo da Vinci from? Which country? He was from Italy. Okay, I give you a hint. So Italy is shaped in which footwear?
Boot shape.
Boot shape. That is a very small country inside Italy. Can you tell me what it is?
Venice.
No. Starts with V. Very close where the Pope lives.
V. Vatican City.
Vatican City. Superb. The Vatican City is the smallest city in the smallest country in the
World.
Very nice. Can you tell me
It's
what?
just a church.
There's
Church
a-
है.
हाँ.
वो बस church है. And they have made it a city.
So it. Can you tell me any fun facts about Vatican City if you know?
अभी जो बोला वही एक
Very
fun
fun fact. Acha. I'll ask you one more. What is the smallest state in India?
Goa.
Is the correct answer. Okay. Any difficult questions you think? Okay. There are 2 tests. You like cricket?
Yup.
You like cricket?
Yeah.
So 2 test matches happening today. Can you tell me both?
India versus South Africa.
And there is another one happening right now.
I think
3 innings are...
Pakistan versus नहीं.
Okay, I'll give you a hint. It is happening in the southern hemisphere.
Australia versus New Zealand.
No, it's called the Ashes.
Australia versus England.
Australia versus England. The Ashes series is happening. The first
अच्छा,
match.
अभी हो रहा है वो?
Yeah, which is just happening today. So, can you tell me what time? What is the time?
2.
2 बज गए हैं?
1:59.
Okay, super. Do you have time till 2 o'clock? Do you have another tuition after this? आज भी मम्मी कहीं लेके जा रही है क्या पढ़ाने? इसके बाद?
नहीं, हाँ इसके बाद एक और है.
ट्यूशन? Children nowadays. हम लोग के टाइम पे भी था लेकिन ऐसा नहीं था. Okay, back to my question. Ashes, Ashes is played between which 2 countries?
Australia versus England.
Do you know why is it called the Ashes or anything about it? Okay, I'll ask you easy. Capital of Australia?
Steve Smith.
Captain of Australia? Capital of Australia?
अच्छा, capital of Australia, Canberra.
Canberra, very nice. Any other capitals? What about capital of
New Zealand.
Turkey? Not easy. Capital of Turkey. Okay, big cities in Turkey? Big city in Turkey? Any city in Turkey that you know of? Istanbul? Have you heard about Istanbul? No. Okay, I'll ask you one more. What is the...
हाँ, आप ही बस पूछा जा रहा हूँ, मेरे को भी चांस दो.
पूछो.
India's first underground metro opened in which city? Easy.
It is?
मैं क्या बोलूँ?
So it is in the city which is called the City of Firsts, which is Kolkata. Kolkata. Yes. It is Kolkata. Kolkata is the city of first, and the first underground metro